Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 54 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, and that is the importance of living in present. So let's start. Life is a precious gift which God has given to us. But we don't value life as it should be valued. For many people, what they do, they deeply think about past or they deeply think about future. They don't focus on present, and one should not do that. What they do, many people are trapped between past and future. They are worried about their past and they are worried about their upcoming future. Means, what if I have done that, then my life would be more better. What if tomorrow will be my what day I do, what if I will fail tomorrow. So these things comes to people's mind every day, every single day. But we should understand that living in present is really important because it helps you in many ways. It helps you to focus on your mind and it helps you to do what you are achieved to do, while trapped in future and past is making you dull. And when you are living in present, you are enjoying life, you are enjoying time with your family, friends, you are having good relationships, and you are reading books, you are watching movies, and you are taking the benefits, taking the look to nature. But when we are trapped between past and future, when we are thinking deeply about past and future, we are making us dull, we are making our mind dull. Why I am saying this? Because when you think about something that can't be changed, past can't be changed as well as future can't be predicted, so why we should waste our energy, waste our time in that thing? According to me, we should invest our time on that thing which we will be able to change, that is today. And there is a famous quote also. I think that you all have heard about that quote, that yesterday was a history, tomorrow is a mystery, and today is a gift. Today is a present. That's why it is so. This type of thought is there. So today I am making this video. Why? Because I have seen many people, in fact I have seen myself also, means I was also always thinking about past and future, but that loses our energy. I am giving you example of two students. Suppose there is one side Aman and another side is Neha, and Aman is tensed about future, that what will happen if he will fail, and so because of his tension or anxiety he is not studying well. On the other side, Neha is not tensed, she is focusing on today's study, she is studying well. So during exam, Neha will be more confident than Aman. So we should focus on present rather than focusing on future or past, because it will not give us anything that we deserve in life. We should always focus on present. When we will focus on present, our mind will be relaxed, we will not take any anxiety or stress, while focusing on past or future gives anxiety or stress, that what will happen next, what if I will fail, what if I have done something in a good way, then I would be best today. We should not think like that. In fact, we should think that what I can do today, what is in my hand. In my hand is today's time, not yesterday's time or future time. So we should understand that. So from all this I will conclude that yesterday was a history, tomorrow is a mystery, and today is a gift. So utilize your today. You have to focus on your today so that your mind will be calm, you will be calm, and you will be the best version of yourself. So that's all for today's video, and if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe and share and comment. And if any query or if any mistake, if you think that I have done any mistake, you can comment in my comment box. I will be happy to see that comment. So that's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care and have fun.